This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a rear spoiler, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Lakewood Fordland is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 11595 West 6th Avenue in Lakewood.